Responsible and sustainable tree planting and management practices will ensure a cooler, greener and healthier future for us all for the longest time frame. Growing trees to maturity is an ongoing and long-term process. Well-maintained trees require regular inspection, pruning and monitoring of growing conditions to ensure that they stay in a healthy state and live a long lifespan. Without this level of care, they're vulnerable to drought, pests and diseases and other factors which shorten their lifespan and reduce their benefit to the environment and our city. The City of Charles Sturt's Tree Canopy Improvement Strategy outlines a commitment to increase tree maintenance to ensure our trees get to live to maturity. We want to educate and support our community too, so you can recognise the value of our trees, help to support them and recognise when some trees need love and care. Together we can all work towards a future where trees are appreciated, valued and maintained like the vital assets that they are.